Q4 is the most distracting quarter of the year. You've got Halloween chaos, you've got all of the hype around Black Friday, you've got the Christmas madness, not to mention, you've got kids off to school at some points, and you've got the shorter days that basically want to make you hibernate on the sofa. So it's no wonder that so many business owners just slide into January going, do you know what, I'll start fresh in January. But you don't have to wait. You've still got 3 months. That's 90 powerful days left in the year. And with the right plan, they could actually be your most profitable yet. Hi, I'm Shelley. I am the curator of the Startup, Stack Up, and Scale Up framework, and I help business owners to cut through the noise and focus on what actually grows their business. In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 simple steps to set yourself up for your best Q4 ever, without the chaos, without the overthinking, and without burnout. So step 1, choose one clear business goal. The biggest mistake that I see business owners make in Q4 is that they try to do everything before the end of the year catches up with them. But here's the fix. You just need to choose one measurable goal, not 10, not 5, just one. Whether that's growing your email list or booking 5 new clients or even hitting that revenue milestone, that goal becomes your North Star for those last 3 months of the year. Everything else you do in this quarter should feed into it. Step 2, focus on 3 money-making priorities. Once you've got your goal, narrow your focus even further. Pick 3 priorities that are actually going to move the needle in your business. Maybe that's running one simple promo. Maybe it's showing up consistently on one platform. Or maybe it's finally finishing that funnel that you've been sat half built for months in your CRM system. If it doesn't link to your goal or to these 3 priorities, it's noise and you don't need it in Q4. Step 3, anchor your weeks. Here's where the overwhelm really melts away. Weekly anchors, a weekly focus. Instead of writing a never-ending to-do list, give each week a focus. For example, week 1, you could launch a new freebie. Week 2, you can follow up with leads. Week 3, you can prep Black Friday promo so you're not panicking about it on the Thursday evening before Black Friday kicks in. Suddenly, that chaos of Q4 becomes a series of calm and focused steps because you know exactly what you are doing week by week. These 3 steps are a great start, but if you really want to walk away with a complete 90-day roadmap for your business for Q4, then I invite you to join me live for my Finish Strong, the Q4 workshop. It's taking place on Monday at the 22nd of September at 7 p.m. UK time, and it's just £10. In 90 minutes, we're going to cut through all of the chaos and we're going to map out your one-page Q4 roadmap. We're going to talk about your 3 money-making priorities, your clear, measurable goal, and your weekly focus anchors. So you will leave with clarity, confidence, and most importantly, a plan that you will actually be able to stick to. The link is in the description below so that you can save your spot. It will be 2026 before we know it, so don't let Q4 slip through your fingers. It doesn't have to be chaos. It can actually be your strongest quarter yet. So grab your seat at the workshop and let's finish this year strong together.